Hello Bon Bakers and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole and today we're going to be making a really cool eyeball jelly for Halloween. It's coming up to that time of year, so I wanted to share this recipe with you. You only need 3 ingredients. It's really simple. The kids will go crazy for it, but it also will look great if you're having a Halloween party as well for adults. So let's get to it. As I said, you only need a few ingredients. The main one is jelly. So with the jelly, I've got some pre-made ones here, which you can just buy from the supermarket. And if you can't find them, you can make your own as well. It's really simple. All you need to do is add water to your jelly crystals, give it a stir, make sure it's all dissolved, and then let it set in the fridge for a few hours. But all of the instructions will be on your jelly packet. For the other 2 ingredients, all you'll need is some whole pitted cherries and some whole pitted lychees. Both of these came in a syrup and I've just strained that. And if you can't find cherries, don't worry. You can also substitute these with licorice or sultanas, blueberries, blackberries, anything that's edible that we can use to stuff the lychees to look like the center of an eyeball. All you need to do is grab a bowl that you want to serve this in, and you can also do individual portions as well if you want to use something like these little spider cupcakes. So I'll show you that version too for how to present them at the end. All right, so we just need to place the jelly into our bowl here, and then we can start piecing together the eyeballs. And I'm going to break up the jelly as well, so it kind of looks a bit like shards, and or just like split jelly. We're not going to keep it whole. I've just switched to a smaller bowl so it bulges out the top a little bit, and I'm just going to kind of press into the jelly and slice it up so that there's more texture to it and it's not just these big balls of jelly. Jelly is so much fun. I remember having it when I was a kid. My mum and I would make it when I was little, and you can also do fun little recipes like frog in a pond with a Freddo frog and some jelly, some little Smarties around it. They're also always popular with the little ones. Yeah. I like aeroplane jelly. Aeroplane jelly for me. Wait, is that just an Australian thing? You might need to be Australian to understand that one. Looks good. Time to add our eyeballs. So these lychees here are going to be our eyeballs, and then our cherries here are going to be the center, and you might need to break them in half. It just depends on the size of the cherries, and we're just going to stuff them in the center here like that so that they kind of bulge out a little bit. They look like big bloodshot red eyeballs. That's one eyeball done. Add it to your jelly. Look at that. Pretty gross. Here is our little party size individual portion as well. How cute. Cute and creepy. Now this recipe looks best if you can go jelly eyeballs. So I've just gone back and buried a couple underneath, and it's really easy to do. Just move a bit of the jelly aside, shove some eyeballs in there, and then keep on layering it up. The cherries work well with the lychees because the color of it kind of tarnishes the beautiful white of the lychee, so it goes that reddy, bloodshot, kind of pink color that looks really like veins in eyeballs. Ugh, gross. And there you have our spooky, disgusting eyeball jelly. I hope you like this, and let me know how you go at your Halloween party. I'm sure it's gonna be a lot of fun and everyone's gonna be like, what is that, ew? If you do like this recipe, please make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Le Bon Baker, for all tips, tricks, and recipes for the home baker.